Thinking about your drinking. If you drink alcoholic beverages, even occasionally, you need to know the facts about alcoholism. The American Medical Association and World Health Organization declared alcoholism a disease over 50 years ago. Alcoholism is not a psychiatric illness, and it is not a psychological problem. Alcoholism is also not a willpower problem. It is not a character issue, and it isn't learned. Alcoholism is a recognized medical illness acquired by those susceptible to it, who begin drinking for the same reasons as most people do. Alcohol is a drug, and susceptibility to alcohol addiction has strong hereditary factors that have been extensively researched. If you have alcoholism in your family and you drink alcohol, your risk of acquiring alcoholism is significantly higher than that of other people who have no family history of alcoholism. Not everyone who drinks alcohol becomes an alcoholic. It affects about 1 in 10 drinkers in the United States. Alcoholism is not an equal opportunity illness. Some people who drink will never experience problems with alcohol, while others will drink alcoholically almost immediately. Hundreds of studies have demonstrated a family biological link and susceptibility for alcoholism. Many studies have shown that the child of an alcoholic parent, even if adopted into a non-drinking home, will later in life have a dramatically increased risk of acquiring alcoholism if he or she drinks. Understanding alcoholism, who becomes alcoholic and why, and how to best treat it have been the subject of political, religious, psychological, and medical debate for centuries. This has contributed to significant confusion about alcoholism. Although it isn't possible to predict who will become an alcoholic, understanding the illness provides a better chance of spotting symptoms earlier. Like most chronic illnesses, this increases the likelihood of the person accepting treatment earlier. It's a myth that rock bottom must come first. More often, fear is what prompts or facilitates alcoholics to accept help or treatment. Fear of harm or death, fear of job loss, fear of losing a relationship, fear of hurting someone, or indeed fear of hitting rock bottom, whatever that might mean. As the disease of alcoholism progresses, self-diagnosis, the ability to see that you have symptoms of it, becomes more difficult. Misinformation and social stigma contribute to denial, the hallmark of the disease. In turn, denial interferes with this self-diagnostic process. The definition of alcoholism. According to the leading medical authority on alcoholism, the American Society of Addiction Medicine, alcoholism is a primary chronic disease with genetic, psychosocial, and environmental factors influencing its development and manifestations.